वजीर खजाना फिलिप हैमंड कहते हैं ब्रेक्जिट की तारीख में सिर्फ 2 हफ्ते रह गए हैं। आज हम इसमें तौसी करने के लिए वोटिंग कर रहे हैं,
मगर जरूरी है कि इसकी ठोस वजह भी हो। पार्लियामेंट अरकान को मिलकर ब्रेक्जिट पर होने वाली गैर यकीनी सूरत हाल को खत्म करना होगा। उनका मजीद क्या कहना था, आइए देखते हैं।
We're 2 weeks away from the exit date. We're going to vote today on extending that exit date, but we have to extend it for a reason. Just kicking the can down the road doesn't help anybody and probably won't be acceptable to the European Union. So we need to focus relentlessly as a House of Commons on how we are going to come together around a way forward. The Prime Minister's deal, in my view, is a perfectly sensible way forward. It does involve people compromising. It doesn't give everybody exactly what they wanted, but I can predict that with a high degree of certainty that the outcome of this process is going to be that an awful lot of us are not going to get exactly what we would have wanted, but we have to be mature about this and form a compromise that the House of Commons can get behind. Otherwise, the nation can't move forward.